Hello, Super Writers, and welcome back to your writing job for today. Our target skill for today is I can use order words to give instructions. Do you know what instructions are? Have you ever followed instructions? I know that you have because I have given you instructions before. Instructions are commands that tell us how to do something or tell us what to do. When we use order words with our commands, they're called instructions. So, let's investigate how we can use order words today. You say it, order words. Order words are words that tell when things happen. Can you think of some order words that you have used before? Some order words are words like first, second, third, last, next, then, and finally. We can use these words in our writing to tell someone when to do something. These are 2 pages from our story this week, How Leopard Got His Spots. I will read both pages to you and see if you can spy the order words. Fred mixed paints from many flowers. Then he painted black stripes on Zell Zebra. Do you see an order word on this page? Great job! Then tells us that he painted black stripes after he mixed paints from many flowers. Looking at the next page, Fred painted Jill Giraffe next. Look at me, said Jill. I have big brown spots now. Do you see an order word on this page? Great job! We see the word next. That tells us that it happened after. All right, will you help me use order words to describe these 3 photos? Looking here, I see a man painting a wall. Look closely at these photos, friends. Which would come first? We are going to put a 1 in the box of the picture that would come first. I see that the boy is opening the pan of paint. The can of paint. Which picture would come second? In this picture, I see that the boy is dipping his brush in the paint. So that must mean the last step is to paint the wall. Now let's write about it. In each blank, you are going to write an order word, the action that you see in the picture or the verb from the picture, and the thing that the action is talking about. Let's do it together. So for the first step, if this boy is trying to describe how to paint the wall, he could say, first, open the paint. Next, dip the brush. Do you see how in this second picture the boy is dipping the brush? And I described it here in the sentence. Last, paint the wall. In the third picture, the boy is painting the wall. All right, friends, now it is your turn to do that very same thing. Look at the pictures. The little girl is feeding a cat. If you are feeding a cat, what should you do first? What should you do next? What should you do last? Fill in the blanks with order words, action words, and then the things that you see in the pictures. Have fun, Super Writers!